Made is no ordinary bike. It's an electric, foldable and affordable bike. Made for any journey, any rider, any situation. But enough with the talking, let's take it for a spin. Made is our answer to bring people on a bike again. It makes distances shorter and hills more flat, so you can focus on what's important to you, like your friends. We designed Made to be your everyday companion for better, easier, faster and funnier personal transportation. It can ride up to 50 miles on a single charge. It is built with the finest components, has a 6-speed computer and comes in a variety of cool colors. It will never let you down and allows you to charge any mobile device thanks to its built-in USB port. We built Made with an integrated carrying handle, so you can lift it easily on your way up or down the stairs. And thanks to its all-terrain tires and shock-absorbing suspensions, hard paved roads will feel gentle and smooth. Made is just great when you want to beat the traffic and go places fast, without breaking a sweat. But if you want to exercise, choose the level of assist you want with the 6-speed settings on the computer. The choice is yours. Go further or go harder. Made comes with smart disc brakes for quick and effective stopping power. We also added front and back suspension, so you don't have to worry about obstacles along your way. It's built durable, so give it your best shot. It is always a fun and easy experience for all ages and riding styles, for adventure or leisure. You can use the pedal assist or you can go full electric. Just sit back, relax and enjoy the scenery at 20 miles per hour. There might be times where you won't need your Made, so it's great to be able to fold it for storage or transportation, knowing you can always take it out when you feel the urge.
Do you remember the first time you rode a bike? The places you would go on your new wheels. But fast forward a few years, and somewhere between your first date, traffic jams, and global warming, bikes just don't feel the same anymore.
This is Flux Electric Bike.
We started Flux because we found one of the ultimate joys of our childhood. At times just felt like a grind. We're on a mission to put the fun back into cycling and more happy riders onto cycles. Flux is simple, just turn it on and go. In pedal assist mode, Flux is exactly like riding a normal bike, just easier and faster. Don't want to pedal? You don't have to. Just push the throttle and you'll speed through the city with no effort at all. The location of the motor is a key factor in making this bike so special. Unlike most electric bikes on the market, which have their motor in the hub, ours is located in between the pedals. This takes mechanical advantage of the bike's Shimano 9-speed gears, meaning you can climb hills easier and hit top speeds quicker. Couple this efficient drivetrain with an industry-crushing 17 amp-hour lithium battery, and you can flux for 46 miles on full power. The battery has a key lock for security and can be removed in a second. Take it with you and recharge wherever you want. It even features a USB port, so you can charge all of your devices on the go. By harnessing advanced technology and elegant design, Flux bikes are your wheels for the modern world, giving you the power to zip past traffic, explore further and climb higher than ever before.
We've put these bikes through their paces on the most challenging courses we could find. They're battle-tested and designed to take a beating. Stay in control with powerful hydraulic disc brakes and Suntour suspension. When you get to the bottom, you can just power back up in record time, ready to go again and again.
kickstand. You can park the City-Go anywhere.
Millions of Americans commute less than 10 miles every day, but the trip from home to the office is usually very inefficient. We thought we could do better. The CMYK 4.0 is the next evolution in electric commuting bikes. Its smart technology and sensors help you bypass beat-up streets, traffic jams, construction sites, so you can get to work easier and faster. But the trip from home to the office is usually very inefficient, and we really thought that we could better design the bike commuting experience.
Today, we are launching an Indiegogo campaign to fund production of this smart folding electric bike. The CMYK 4.0 is a bike that thinks one step ahead of its rider. The CMYK 4.0 is loaded with features for the urban biker, including advanced hardware, built-in brains, and mobile integration. The brains inside the bike are a processor, a gyroscope, and accelerometer. It also has a cadence sensor and heart rate monitor. The mobile integration built into CMYK 4.0 crunches all of the data collected by these sensors and displays it on your phone through built-in Bluetooth connectivity. The mobile app's direct integration with the bike tells you stats like speed, cadence, ride duration, temperature, heart rate, and distance.
Over the last 4 years, I've been searching for a way to travel over short distances using electric power. I thought about a skateboard, but I was concerned it wouldn't be stable enough. Rollerblades seemed too complicated to put on and take off, and the gyropod design would be too heavy to be carried out easily. Easy to ride and accessible to everyone, the scooter seemed like a good place to start. But one with 12-inch inflatable wheels, disc brakes, and an integrated charger. But that would be too heavy. It had to be light and comfortable. So I thought, let's invent a whole new type of brushless motor. And let's use an advanced aluminum alloy for the frame. It will be lighter and still just as strong. Designed by Helium Studio. Nice! Now this could be the one. Hi, I'm David Libo, and I'm proud to present the Electric Mode. It's an electric 22-pound scooter able to cover 12 miles at a top speed of 16 miles per hour. It has an integrated charger, rear and front headlights, and shows your speed and travel distance on a digital screen. And it can be charged in less than 1 hour. The Electric Mode uses a new generation of brushless direct drive engines based on an original architecture. You can use it for every mile, from your home to your train or from your train to your work. Lightweight and equipped with inflatable wheels and a simple clip, you can fold it easily, carry it like a small suitcase and store it anywhere. Its speed gives a real sensation of freedom. You can experience the thrill of a fast-paced ride in total safety while saving precious time. With a 12-mile range, you can skip the bus and enjoy a pleasant ride in open air, or more easily finish the last mile of your journey. Using the headlights, you can safely enjoy your night ride. Electric mode is perfect for city trips. I use it daily, and I never get tired of the feeling of freedom from speeding around the city, even after more than 1,000 miles on the same prototype and a little trip to Cambridge. It's a clean, silent and enjoyable way to get around the city.